Alright, this is for the April Reddit Secret Santa exchange. This is for the person that I drew in the colors exchange. As always, this is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun until it's just damp. We're gonna ice dye this, so need to flip it inside out. Okay. Let's get that pretty straight there. And go ahead and mark that center. And grab under the armpits right where the seam is. Give that a good shake. And then you should have the center point of the bottom. So let's go ahead and fold this on itself. Put your hand through one arm, pull the other arm through, match up the seam. Give that a shake. And touch that up a little. Flip this back over. Grab the tag and the bottom of the shirt. Pull it down. And flip it over. And touch up the arm if it needs it. There we go. Alright, so let's go ahead, pull this this way a little bit. I'm going to do this at an angle. Actually, I think I'm going to accordion fold it first, and then we'll come back and add the angle to it. So I'm just going to go in about like that. It's about 1 inch or so. I know, I normally don't accordion fold that way. There's a reason. This edge gets sloppy when you do that. But I don't have anything to follow other than the edge. So, there we go. Oh. See what happens when you start one way and then change in the middle. There. We'll just finish it up this way. Okay. So I'm going to straighten that up just a little bit. There we go. I'm going to try to use that as a guide. Okay, so we're missing this little bit here. I'm not going to mess with that. We'll just have that all a single color. So let's go ahead and go with the sinew. And this is waxed synthetic sinew. I'm getting this corner here. Not sure I'm going to be able to. Okay, let's roll this back. Let's go for the middle first. Twist it a little to make it easier to line up so that it doesn't slip. Alright, let's try that again. That slept a lot. There we go. And I'll go back this way. Because if you've watched me, you know I can't really work the other direction very well. So that one. There's more to bite into this time. I need to undo those two. It was slightly off, so I'll just tighten that again. The sinew has a mind of its own today. Alright, so let's line this up. Okay, touch this up. Not sure that should be a whole fold there, but it caught it there, so I kind of have to continue at this point. Alright. And one more. Okay, I'll go ahead and cut that loose. And then I'm thinking through this if I want to actually come back and do anything again. Let's see what I can do. There isn't much here that I can work with. I can't go this direction because then it would be inside the seam, but I could leave that one and possibly come into these. See if that'll take. And it's not really the look I'm going for. Yeah, that's where that fold went. see if I can fit that back up there. There we go. Let's see. I think I am, just on this first one, because it's at a slightly different angle than the rest. Alright, there's that one. See if I can get this to catch. Okay. I might have to replace this sinew. It does not want to cooperate today. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do that one. There's not enough there, and unfortunately this last tie came loose. See, the sinew is out to get me. Let's see if I can catch it enough. Start it like that. There we go. Okay, so the only one that wasn't done was this first, and that'll be fine. So, there we go, and off to dye. Alright, we'll be using hot pink, fuchsia, amethyst, and power berry. So I think I'm going to start from this side and work down, and just alternate, and we'll see where it goes from there. Alright, I'll let this sit until this melts through, and then we'll do the back. Alright, so the ice is melted through. We'll go ahead and flip this over. And I think I'm going to put the ice on first, and for this side, and then we'll add the dyes. Alright, we'll let this sit for another 18 hours or so and do the washout. Alright, it's been a little, I don't know, 20 hours or so, so let's go ahead and do the washout. Alright, let's take a look. So I'll throw this in the washing machine and we'll see what it looks like.